something like that?
I was bullied at school. I don't know how to solve this problem.
You should talk to your teacher so your teacher can help solve the problem.
But what if the teacher only listens and does nothing?
You should tell another trusted adult.
Thank you everyone. Now I have to go now.
Okay, have a nice day.
You too.
Okay, see you next week.
Bye.
Hello.
Hi.
Have you ever been bullied by your classmate at school?
No, I have never been bullied. What about you?
Me too. What will you do if you are bullied?
I will tell a teacher to help me solve problem.
So do you think the can help the teacher solve the problem?
I don't know, but the teacher at my school help all the students solve their problem. Are you?
My school is just like your, and I am very happy that the teacher help the students who are being bullied.
Oh, I have to go now. See you.
Bye.
Hello.
Hi.
Have you ever had problems at school?
No, I have never had any problem in school. What about you?
I used to have a big problem.
Oh, can you tell me?
Sure, I was bullied and I am going to report it to the teacher.
Oh, it's okay. You don't have to worry.
Okay, I am hungry.
Okay, see you.
Bye.
Hi. Hello. What would you do if you were bullied? I will tell a teacher.
Hello, my and you.
Hi there.
What are you talking about?
We're talking about bullying at school.
Oh, what will you do in this case?
I will tell my parents all up. I will stay silent. I must see a person.
Wow, that's a great idea. And you cook it. I will fight back and you beat them.
Oh, thank you. But I think we have to go now.
Yeah, you're right.
See you next time.
Bye for now.
Hi, Yunif. Hi, Have you ever had any problem or worry at school?
Yes, there are some conflict in the field of study.
Did you get good advice from your teacher when you confronted her?
The teacher did not listen to us. No, this she gave good advice and you.
For me, the teacher gave good advice.
When you